Today, I'll show you 5 of the easiest Fiverr gigs you can start right now. And the best part is, AI will do most of the work for you. You don't need any skills at all. Even brand new sellers are already getting orders, which means the demand is huge. Stick around till the end, because gig number 5 is a total game changer. Big brands pay up to $500,000 for it. Gig 1. Image Object Remover. This service is super simple if there's something unwanted in a photo, like a random person in the background, a big watermark, or any kind of distraction. You just clean it out. On Fiverr, people charge anywhere from $50 to $90 for this. And the most interesting part is that buyers are happy, even with slow delivery, because the result is priceless for them. Now, if you use Xsign or any other AI remover tool, you can literally clean up a photo perfectly in just 10 seconds. The kind of work people used to spend hours doing manually, you can now finish with just one click. Easy to do, high in demand, the perfect gig for beginners. Gig 2. Image Background Removal. Background removal is one of the most popular and repeat order services on Fiverr. Content creators and e-commerce sellers always need clean, professional images. One seller charged just $10 for removing backgrounds from 5 images and got over 3,000 sales. And the best part, clients today don't just want a simple cutout, they expect natural edges and even perfect clarity in hair strands. Xsign's background remover tool does this flawlessly with AI. That's why this is an evergreen service that will always stay in demand. Gig 3. Image Enhancer. Old Photo Restore. There's a huge gap between demand and supply here. Almost every household has old photos that are either blurry or faded, and people want to see them come alive again. One Fiverr seller made over $60,000 just by offering this service, restoring old blurry images. Imagine earning that much from a single niche. Xsign's Enhancer tool transforms blurred and low-quality photos into HD, perfectly restoring skin details, colors, and sharpness. And when you bring a family's old memory back to life, customers won't just pay you, they'll happily leave a 5-star review. This is an emotional and evergreen service that will always stay in demand. Gig 4. AI Background Generator. Take your product photos to the next level. Business owners always need professional and eye-catching backgrounds. Right now, competition for this service on Fiverr is very low, and once clients try it, they keep coming back. With Xsign's AI Background Generator, a simple product photo can get multiple professional and creative looks in just seconds. Perfect for e-commerce, ads, and social media growth. Gig 5. AI Model Mockups. Brands spend thousands on product shoots, but on Fiverr, AI model mockup services are still very rare. With Xsign's AI tool, you can instantly showcase any clothing item on a realistic model so natural that buyers will think it's from a real photo shoot. Perfect for fashion brands, online stores, and social media marketing. This is Fiverr's next goldmine. Secrets to let Fiverr recommend your gig. 1. Unique gig title and description. Fiverr doesn't push duplicate gigs. Use ChatGPT to generate a unique title, SEO-optimized description, and smart pricing strategy. 2. Professional brand setup. Show Fiverr that you're a competent seller. Pick a modern, short brand name, get ideas from AI. Create a simple professional logo with tools like Xsign. Add all the relevant skills to your profile. Now you have 5 AI Fiverr gigs that can make money with 0 skills. All you need to do is impress Fiverr and build your profile smartly. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which gig you'll try first.